Hi there, students. Indefatigable, an adjective. Indefatigably, the corresponding adverb. And indefatigability, the noun. Okay, indefatigable means persistent, never stops, never gives up. He has an indefatigable thirst for knowledge. Relentless, untiring, unflagging, never stops, never gives up. Okay, her indefatigable protests finally made the company give her a full refund. So to start with, they said no. And she kept on, and finally, because she was indefatigable, they said yes. He campaigns indefatigably for human rights. I have indefatigably made videos every day for 10 years. Well, not every day, but nearly. So, indefatigable, unstoppable, never giving up, never becoming too tired to do it. His belief in God is indefatigable. It's important not to let indefatigability turn into obsession. So, never relenting, inexhaustible. His indefatigable spirit helped him deal with the illness. Our search for a vaccine for COVID will be indefatigable. So, protracted effort despite difficulty or frustration on the way. I'm certain you have been indefatigable in your efforts to improve your English, and that's why you've reached a high enough level to be able to watch my videos. Never wearying, to keep on going regardless of what happens. And this is the idea of indefatigable. So, next question, formality. I think I would give this 7.5 to even 8 in formality. It sounds really pretty formal and pretty literary as well. I think in an informal conversation, non-stop, constant, constancy. Yeah? Use it semi-formally and formally. It comes from Latin indefatigabilis, okay, in, not, and defatigo, to tire out. This word is related to the word fatigue. When you're fatigued, you're tired. So, if you describe someone as indefatigable, they never stop when they have something as their objective. They never give up. They keep going regardless of the setbacks, regardless of the problems they have. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Indefatigable.